Most Forex gurus will never tell you this. Sometimes mentorship in Forex can actually set you back. Yes, you heard me right. I'm not saying all mentors are bad. Some are great, but what happens when the person you trusted, the person you believed would change your life, ends up confusing you, disappointing you, or even costing you money? What happens when the foundation you built your trading journey on suddenly collapses? Today, I'm going to share the uncomfortable truth about failed mentorship and how you can rise stronger, smarter, and more independent than ever before. If this has ever happened to you, this video is for you. And before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want real, honest conversations about Forex. Not hype, not fantasies, but truth that actually helps you grow. Like this video if you believe traders deserve transparency. Share it with someone who might be going through this silently. And most importantly, comment below, have you ever experienced failed mentorship? I want to hear your story. Let's talk about it. Have you ever felt completely lost in your Forex journey, especially when the person you trusted the most, your mentor, let you down? Maybe you bought the course, maybe you joined the VIP group, maybe you followed every signal, and yet your account kept going down. You felt confused, you felt angry, you felt embarrassed. I've been there. And today, I'm going to share my raw, honest story and how that painful experience helped me rebuild stronger than ever. When I first started Forex, I found someone online who looked like a legend. Luxury cars, profit screenshots, confident voice, thousands of followers. He looked successful. He sounded confident. He made trading look easy. I thought, this is it. This is the person who will change my life. At first, everything felt exciting. New strategies, private group access, daily signals, motivational talks. I felt like I had finally found the shortcut. But slowly, the cracks started to show. Looking back, the warning signs were there. His results were inconsistent. His explanations were vague. When trades lost, there was always an excuse, and there was always something new to buy. Another course, another upgrade, another advanced strategy. And I ignored it. Why? Because I wanted to believe. Because I was desperate for success. Because I didn't trust myself yet. Then came the moment of truth. A big loss, then another, then another. And suddenly, the dream collapsed. Not just financially, but emotionally. That hit hurt. Not just my wallet, but my confidence. When this happens, your first reaction is anger. You feel cheated. You feel betrayed. You want to blame someone, and listen, it's okay to feel that way. You are human. But here is the hard truth. Staying angry will not grow your account. You have to move beyond blame. Then I had to ask myself difficult questions. Did I check real proof of consistent results? Did I understand the strategy deeply, or did I blindly follow signals? Did I depend too much on someone else? That self-reflection was painful, but necessary. And here is the biggest truth of all. No one is responsible for your trading success but you. Not your mentor, not the market, not the broker. You. That realization was hard, but it was also powerful, because if it's my responsibility, that means I can fix it. After the disappointment, I made a decision. No more chasing gurus. Instead of asking, who should I follow? I started asking, what should I learn? That changed everything. Instead of secret strategies, I focused on market structure support and resistance risk management, emotional control, probability, not certainty. I stopped looking for magic. I started building knowledge. Here's what I learned. Real education explains why something works, shows both wins and losses, focuses on risk management, encourages independence. Hype education shows only profits, promises fast success, pushes urgency, sells lifestyle, not skill. Learn the difference. It will save you money. This is where real growth starts. You need clear entry rules, clear exit rules, fixed risk per trade, a trading journal. Write down every trade, why you entered, why you exited, how you felt. This is how you become your own mentor. Forex is not just about charts, it is about mindset, discipline. You must follow your plan even when you feel scared, you feel greedy, you want revenge trade. Discipline is doing what is right, even when it feels hard. Embracing failure. Losses are not proof you are stupid. Losses are data. Every professional trader loses. The difference is they learn, they adjust, they continue. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of it. Consistent profitability is not a sprint. It is a marathon. Slow growth is real growth. If someone promises fast riches, be careful.